hurdles, soft ethical concerns, and technological limitations. As the industry moves towards more advanced levels of autonomy, it is essential for regulators and technology developers to work together to ensure the safe implementation of self-driving cars. Regulators must establish guidelines that ensure the safety of both the passengers in autonomous cars and other road users. Technology developers must create systems that are reliable, secure, and easy to use. One significant benefit of autonomous driving is the potential to reduce the number of road accidents. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, approximately 1.35 million people die each year are in traffic accidents worldwide. Moreover, autonomous driving has the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry. Self-driving cars could reduce traffic congestion, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce transportation cost as significantly. In addition, the elderly and people with disabilities could benefit significantly from self-driving cars, as they would not be limited by their ability to operate a traditional vehicle. As the technology advances and becomes more widely adopted, the question of liability and responsibility will become increasingly important. If a self-driving car is involved in an accident, who is responsible, the driver or the vehicle manufacturer? Autonomous driving raises new legal and ethical questions for society to consider. In addition to the benefits mentioned in the previous section, there are also potential environmental benefits of autonomous driving. Self-driving cars could reduce emissions by optimizing routes and minimizing idling time. They could also encourage the adoption of electric and hybrid vehicles, as self-driving features could help overcome the concerns of range anxiety and charging infrastructure. Availability. Furthermore, the development of autonomous driving technology could create new job opportunities in the tech and transportation industries. For example, the increased demand for sensor technology and mapping services could create new jobs in the tech sector. The need for maintenance, repair, and upgrade services for autonomous vehicles could also create new job opportunities in the automotive industry. However, there are also concerns regarding the impact of autonomous driving technology on the job market. With the increasing automation of driving tasks, there is a risk that jobs in the transported industry, such as truck drivers and taxi drivers, could become obsolete. It is essential for policymakers and industry stakeholders to consider the impact of this technology on the labor market. ND develops strategies to address any negative effects. Another consideration is the privacy implications of autonomous driving technology. Self-driving cars collect vast amounts of data, including location data and driving behavior, which could be used by third parties for marketing or surveillance purposes. It is essential for regulations to address the privacy issues of autonomous driving and ensure that users have control over their data. Finally, there is the issue of cybersecurity. Self-driving cars are vulnerable to cyber attacks, which could compromise the safety and security of passengers and other road users. It is essential for autonomous driving systems to have robust security measures to prevent hacking and ensure the safety of users. Moreover, it is worth noting that autonomous driving technology is not limited to passenger cars. Self-driving technology can also be applied to trucks, buses, and other commercial vehicles. The potential benefits for the transportation industry are enormous, including increased efficiency, faster logistics, and reduced costs. For example, self-driving trucks could reduce labor costs and increase efficiency by operating continuously, without the need for rest breaks or shift changes. Self-driving buses could improve public